Good morning everybody. Right, today we are looking at lesson 3. In this lesson, we are still talking about addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. That is the new concept. This concept is under algebraic fractions. So in this topic, algebraic fractions, we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction. How do we add and subtract algebraic fractions? So the addition system or the addition method is the same as I said earlier on, that the methods which we're using in adding real numbers is the same which we are going to use in algebraic fractions. Now let's look at some examples. Let's look at some examples on how do we add. Now let's look at example A, 7 over A minus 1 over 2A. Right, if you go below, what is now find the lowest common number for A and 2A. So it's 2A is the lowest common factor, or we call it find the common denominator. So the common denominator is a number whereby this denominator A enters into this without leaving a remainder, and as well as 2A enters into 2A without leaving a remainder. So 2A is the lowest common multiple for A and 2A. Now let's divide A into 2A. It's 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator 7, we get 14. Then minus 2A into 2A, 1. 1 times the numerator 1, which gives us 1. Now simplify. 14 minus 1 gives us 13 over 2A. Now let's look at example number 2, which is B. B, P over 3 plus Q over 15. Now what is our lowest common multiple? It's 15. 3 into 15, 5. 5 times the numerator, which is P, 5P. Then 15 into 15, 1. 1 times the numerator, PQ. 15 into 15, 1. Then 1 multiplied by the numerator Q, which is equals to Q. So this one is equals to Q, which is equals to Q. Right, now simplify now the numerator. 5P plus Q, 5P plus Q, which gives us 6, which gives us 6Q. 5P plus Q, which gives us 6Q. So our final answer there is 6P over 15. But 6P over 15, you can simplify it by reducing 6 over 15 to its simplest form. So if you reduce it to its simplest form, it means your answer is going to be 2P over 5. The common number there is 3 into 6 to 3 into 15, 5. So it means 2P over 5. That is going to be your final answer. So the final answer is going to be 2P over 5. 2P over 5. Now, what I want you to do is, right, as you can see in this exercise, 1 over 7 plus 3 over 5. Now can you add A over 7 plus B over 7? Can you try to add these numbers now? So try to add all these numbers and subtract them using the methods which I am explaining. So when you are adding or subtracting fractions, you find the lowest common multiple. But in this case, as you can see in example A, when you're adding or subtracting, especially when the denominator is the same, there is no need of finding the lowest common multiple. Just add the numerator. For in this case, it's 1 plus 3, the answer is 4, which is 4 over 7. In this case, it's A plus B over 7, because the numerators are the same. If the numerators are the same, there is no need of finding the common multiple. But in this case, H, there is need for finding the common a common what? Multiple. So can you try to answer all these questions? Then after that, we are in the next lesson, we are going to look at other types of algebraic fractions. Thank you very much.